Investors are on tenterhooks as 10 initial public issues that had raised 9,800 Indian rupees crore last month would see mandatory anchor investors lock-in being released progressively through this month starting Monday. Usually, stock price of newly listed companies fall once the 30-day lock-in for anchor investors ends as they start booking profit. For instance, Star Health, an allied insurance company, tanked 2% to 766 Indian rupees, and touched a low of 754 Indian rupees as the anchor investors lock-in got released on Friday. The insurance company had raised 6,400 Indian rupees crore last month with issue price of 900 Indian rupees apiece. Similarly, shares of Tega Industries were down 1% at 587 Indian rupees on Friday. Though it was well above the IPO price of 453 Indian rupees, it was down 38% from the listing day price of 725 Indian rupees. Of the 10 issues that will be tested for anchor investors' lock-in release, 3 are already trading below their issue price. On Friday, RateGain Travel Tech and Shriram Properties closed at 381 Indian rupees and 90 Indian rupees against the issue price of 425 Indian rupees and 118 Indian rupees, while Metro Brands was down at 468 Indian rupees against the IPO price of 500 Indian rupees. Anchor investor investment is more than 10% in 5 of the 10 stocks that would be put to test this month. Edelweiss Alternative Research, in a report, said 31 of the 41 issuances between last January and October experienced selling pressure on expiry of anchor investors' lock-in, while as much as 61% of issuances declined the day after and over the 5-day period thereafter. Selling pressure has been more near the anchor lock-in opening date in most stocks, where the allocation to anchor investors accounts for a larger chunk of the outstanding shares. 10 out of 13 such newly listed stocks have closed in the red with an average decline of 3% on anchor opening date, where anchor allocation was above 10% of outstanding shares, it added. The last 2 months were yet another blockbuster period for IPOs, with 22 issuances raking in a whopping 52,900 Indian rupees crore even as the secondary markets turned volatile. Yash Gupta, equity research analyst, Angel One, said about 65 IPOs raised 1.31 Indian rupees lakh crore last year, with the second half of the year witnessing big float. We believe this year will also belong to the new age companies with names such as OYO Rooms, Ixigo, Drum, Ola and Snapdeal hitting the capital market, and the mother of all IPOs of LIC leading from the front, Gupta added.